In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable API key using a personal access token. To get started, open Airtable in your browser and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before moving on, especially if you manage more than one account or collaborate across multiple teams. Starting from the right account helps avoid confusion later when you choose permissions. Once you're inside Airtable, go to your account settings or developer settings. The exact location can vary slightly depending on updates to the interface, but you're looking for the section where Airtable manages developer access and authentication. Take a moment here and read the options carefully so you select the correct area for token creation. From there, look for the option to create a personal access token. This is the modern replacement for older API key methods, and it gives you more control over what the token can access. That added control is important because it lets you limit access only to the parts of Airtable you actually need, which is a much safer approach. When you begin creating the token, Airtable will ask you to choose permissions. Select the specific workspace, base, and access level required for your use case. For example, if the token only needs to read data from one base, it's a good idea to avoid giving broader permissions than necessary. Keeping access narrow helps protect your data and makes your setup more secure overall. After you've selected the appropriate permissions, generate the token. Airtable will create it and display it for you to copy. This step is important because in many cases you may not be able to view the full token again later. Copy it carefully and make sure you store it somewhere secure right away, such as a trusted password manager or another protected location your team uses for sensitive credentials. Finally, keep that token private. Do not share it publicly and do not paste it into documents, screenshots, or messages that could be exposed to others. Treat it like a password because anyone with access to that token may be able to interact with your Airtable data based on the permissions you assigned. And that's the full process. Open Airtable, go to your account or developer settings, create a personal access token, choose the right permissions, generate it, and store it securely. If you follow those steps carefully, you'll have a safe and usable Airtable token ready for your workflow.